Morning guys, welcome back. It's me, Kathleen. It's Monday morning. It's a beautiful day in Cape Town and we are kicking the week off on a very high note. So all the cement trucks are arriving. We're busy pouring concrete for the second story. So we're actually going to be doing the roof of the new Cape Reed office. We're pouring a roof on the opposite side, which is going to be for one of the bedrooms. And then here comes all the cement trucks. And then next up is going to be the front of the house, where we're going to be pouring concrete for the garages as well. So at the back of the house, the staff accommodation, we've built all the walls, and now we're just going to start pouring concrete. So let's go for a walk and let me show you what's going on. Let's have a look. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So the site, I mean, it's moving, it's shaking, it's happening. So click back every week to see our progress and what we're up to. And follow all our social media channels and hashtag Cape Reed Tribute. Bye.